is how to do it. Hey, wow.
Hi guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Timmy. I film about faith, lifestyle, and a bunch of other stuff that I feel inspired or led to film about. And today we're going to be doing something really interesting. I've never done this before. I do not have the slightest idea what I need, what I'm supposed to do, how it goes. Like, the wig is not even, like, the frontal is not even like plucked. So basically I'm going to have to do everything with myself. My brother is here. I'm going to have to do everything with myself. So I'm not excited about how this is going to go, but well, I hope it turns out good. So I'm about to go to the store now to pick up a couple of things that I need to, you know, do what I need to do. And okay, I'll see you guys later. Bye.
Alright guys, so today's the D-Day where I actually, install my wig. And I don't know if I've actually showed you guys the wig, but this is what it looks like. Okay, this is it's a really pretty wig. I really like it. And I'm actually really excited to put it on my head. To give us a bit of perspective, okay, I've watched a ton of videos on how to pluck a lace front, and it looks like they are magicians because I don't get what is going on at all. Like, I don't understand what is happening, but nevertheless, I'm going to move forward with this video. Okay, so I'm going to be watching a video right here on the right while I do it. So I need you all to pray for me, because if I don't get this right, I don't know what I'm going to do. Like, this is my one and only option. Okay, so the first thing she's doing is that she's wearing this little bald cap thing. So that's what I'm going to do first, okay? So it's what's supposed to look like. Hey, no, I look like a paper seller. Okay, she's putting her edges. Sorry, so let's go back. So she's using the glue on her edges to push her edges back. Guys, about one time when I was in high school, and I had this huge, like, this is too much information, but I had this huge boil on my head, yeah, and they had to, like, literally, they had to open it up and lance it because it wasn't healing properly. One of the worst memories of my high school experience ever. I hope I'm doing this thing right though, because blow dry. This thing feels like rock. Okay, so she's blow drying her edges.
A few moments later.
Gosh. Oh, I forgot my glue. I'll be back. So she's spraying the glue on her hairline. Okay, good. Stop your child. Okay. So I can't even see my hair. Okay, let's try. So now she's cutting the wig cap. Okay. Just continue.
One eternity later.
Hey, God. So sis said I should put makeup on it to make it blend with my skin. Voila, for who no get skin matching makeup, because voila. Hey God, please don't let this be a fail word. Look like an Oompa Loompa. Okay, my dear sis, what next? Okay, so I should put this in my head. First of all, don't come for me because I did not pluck it properly. I just did what I could do, like I said. So, anyhow it is, that's how it is. Okay. Hey! Wow, I'm gonna get ombre wig. I don't need all these adverts. Let's get to the chase. Hey God, everybody's going to see. Mama, what thing they do? Okay, she's parting like baby hairs. This thing gets grown up hairs because, like I said, I did not pluck it properly. About to be out here looking like Bigfoot. Wait, did you blow dry before you brushed it back? Mama. I look crazy! Oh my goodness. This is wild. So this is what women do. Oh wow. Hey! If you look at it from this side, don't look too bad though. One more step. Okay, she said she's doing it again, but she's gonna do it in the front. Okay, very soon I'm gonna collect appointments. You better stay good tight then. This is very, very tight. Somebody even tried to remove it. Let me take a screwdriver to remove it. Guys, this mission, it's not going as planned though. But I gotta proceed. Okay. So what she did is that she used the got-to-be glue to do her baby hairs. Okay, so people that do this for a living, you guys need to start paying them more money because the level of precision I need to accomplish such a thing. I don't even know how to do baby hairs. Like, what is going on? Like, this is crazy. Forget the I don't know how to do the wig part. That one is not a shame. But this is just ridiculous. The fact that I don't know what I'm doing right now. Why is it still not going to the left? Why is it frozen? Hey! Stop, don't do that. Okay guys, so I managed to do something to the edges. I don't know what that thing that I did is, but I did something. That's all you need to know. So now I'm going to try to straighten the hair, cause literally since the day I got it like 2 years ago, I haven't done anything to it. I haven't ever straightened the long ones. And here we come to another segment of something that I once again don't know how to do. Probably should have straightened it before I put it on my head. Yeah. To save you guys the torture of watching me do this and just like show you guys when it's done. Thought I'd give you guys a little progress report. Stiff beer. Okay, stiff wear. This side is longer than this other side, but whatever. You guys, this is the final look. You can still see the lace. It's crusty, but overall, I love this wig. It's so like, you can be like, excuse me, Felicia. Excuse me. Excuse me. What? What? Right. Thank you guys for watching if you've watched this long. And honestly, like, I don't know if I'm going to like, because I'm planning to do my makeup tomorrow and actually shoot another video. So if I do, then that will be the ending of this video. But if not, then this is going to be the ending of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed the watching me mess up the wig and, you know, watching me basically almost destroy my wig. But let me know in the comment section down below how you feel I did out of 10. I know it's not the best, you guys, but you know, it's my first try, and I feel like maybe I'm like at a 5 or 6 out of 10. I know most people are able to blend, especially because you can still kind of see the lace at the front here. Most people are able to blend and pluck the front a little bit better than I did, but this is my first try and I don't think it's that bad. I mean, I would wear it out. So yeah, if you guys enjoyed my video, please make sure to like, comment, share, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next time. And until then, don't do this at home. 0 out of 10 would not recommend. I'm just joking. Bye guys. I'll see you guys next time.